Hey, Radins here. I'll show you how I made AppSumo code redemption at my app Increaser so that you can find some interesting bits for your project. Let's jump in. AppSumo is a digital marketplace. It also sells software. When you buy it on AppSumo, you'll get code that you can redeem to access the product. Once we get this coupon system working at our app, we can reuse it for other digital marketplaces that work similarly. I'm using DynamoDB in my app. So first I'll create a table with Terraform. Now we can populate this table with codes. We'll use the UUID library to make a unique code. Here we'll make a list of 10,000 codes. We'll use the code as an ID for the item. And now we are ready to populate the table. If we open AWS, we should see a populated table. AppSumo takes a CSV file with codes, so let's write a command that will take every code from the table and export it into a CSV. After a purchase, AppSumo will tell the user to go to the website and redeem the code for product access. On the AppSumo page, we have a card in the center. We'll ask the user to sign in first. Once they are authorized, we'll ask for an AppSumo code. On the front end, we check for user authorization status. If they didn't log in yet, we show the AppSumo auth component. It leverages existing code for authorization. The moment the user gets back to the AppSumo page, we pass the destination prop to the provider. At the AppSumo code redemption component, we show the user's email address and a form where he can submit the code. On success, we update the state and start the onboarding. To redeem the code, we send a request to our GraphQL API. Here we take the user's ID from the GVT token. Then we get the AppSumo code from the DynamoDB table. If the code doesn't exist or another user has a claim on it, we throw an error. Since DynamoDB is a NoSQL database, it's okay to have duplication. Here we update the AppSumo code and the user table to query data faster. Some users will refund the app. To handle this, we want to get a CSV from AppSumo. Go over each code, remove the access, delete the code, and send an email asking for feedback. That's all. Stay productive.